Hello, good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between the Rebel books and e-text books. I frequently receive the question about what's the difference between those two versions of the almost identical, the same book. So I'm going to address this question in this video. Now, if you Google my name, Daniel Liang, you can get to my homepage. So this is the my homepage. I have the books listed and the Python, C++, and the Java books. From the Python book, let's use this Python book as an example to demonstrate the difference between the Rebel books and the e-text books. So click this catalog page and more information. So you are going to get into this Pearson website. So here is the book, Introduction to Python Programming and Data Structures, 3rd edition. So this is the cover. Now there are two versions, e-text books and Rebel. These two books, these are actually two versions. They have the identical contents, except that the Rebel book has the instructor assigned exercises. E-text books do not have instructor assigned exercises. So here, there's two tabs here. I'm a student or I'm an educator. So you look at this, the price wise, and this is $10 per month, and this is $90 per year. So this is for 1 year, and this is for 1 month, and this is all by subscriptions. E-text book, a student can subscribe e-text book freely, but for the Rebel book, student must take a course. The instructor will create the link, and the student will use the link to get into the Rebel system and subscribe the book and following the instructor link. So that's how you link with your instructor's course, and the instructor assign exercises. You can complete the exercise there. All right, let me get into this book now and show you this two. So I'm going to look at this two now. First, I'm going to look at the Rebel book now. Okay, I have these two books side by side. This is the Rebel login. So here you can log in using this rebel.pearson.com, and so this is the Rebel, and here is the Pearson Plus login. So I have the login here, and I'm going to sign in for the Rebel book. So this is the Rebel book. I'm signing here, and this is my instructor's dashboard, and with all the courses. I have this is the Python class for the spring 2023. So I can open this Rebel book. And this is the Pearson Plus. So I'm going to click on this Pearson Plus, and this is the book right here. So the book. And so here's the table of contents. And so this is the table of contents right here. And for this book right here, you can see you have a dashboard, you have grades, you have all this settings. So here, look at the resource here. for the instructor, you can download the instructor resources here and from here, and you can open the book right here. And for the e-text and the instructor, don't have the direct access of the instructor resource from the e-text book, but you can go to the Pearson website to download the instructor material. All right, so I'm going to open this book now. So this is the Rebel. So this Rebel looks like this here. You can see the orders are the same and exactly the same contents. So here is go all the way, and this is the supplement material for the book, and here's the supplement material for the book. All right, so okay. All right, so let's go to one chapter. Look at this chapter 5. So here is section 5.2. So here I'm going to do the same thing here. Look at this chapter 5, section 5.2. All right, so let's close this table of contents and close the table of contents. All right, so now you're going to see those two are identical. So everything is the same. So the contents and the interactives. This is the figure 5.1. So figure 5.1. So this is everything the same. And this is the ebook, has all this interactive features. So this is the code animation. So here is the same here, code animation. So you can see this, the same. All right, everything the same. And here is self-check, and you go and scroll down, and this is the same self-check. All right, now for the Rebel book, you have the quizzes. This is the quizzes assigned by the instructors. But for the e-text, you don't have it. So go to the next section, and there's nothing. So here, all this, and you have the instructor assigned exercises. All right, you can also look at my C++ book and Java book. They have the Rebel version and e-textbook version. So this is the video. I hope you now understand the difference between the Rebel version and the e-textbook version. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.